class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, you might have completed unit number 2, that is, how things work. I hope that each and every one of you must have completed your fair book. Today onwards, we are going to start with unit number 3, that is sports. So let's see activity number 1. The name of this activity is Explore the Poem, and the name of the poem is Dreams. Dear students, the word dreams itself is a very interesting word. What are dreams, first of all? Dreams means the imaginary state or the imaginary visualization which goes on in our mind in the state of sleeping or while sleeping is considered as dreams. You might have come across through various kinds of dreams, but the best example which I can remember is the dream which appears to you all before the night of your class picnic. What kind of fun you are going to have, the places, the things which you'll do in the upcoming days is what you think about, and such things may appear in your dreams most of the times. So let's see this poem. Dreams, dreams, dreams. Dreams of people, dreams of trees, dreams of lands, and dreams of seas. So here, the poet Esther Samuel expresses the word dreams. Many a times it may happen that we dream about various kinds of people. The people, those who are our friends, the people, those who did good to us. We dream about our school, we dream about our parents, our nation, etc. So here, dreams may come about various kinds of people. The next is dreams of trees, dreams of land, and dreams of seas. The places which we are going in our near future, or the places which we have already visited, such kind of places many a times may appear in our dreams, as the memory has been already stuck in our mind, and it may happen that before sleeping we might be thinking about those places. Dreams to grow big, dreams to grow rich, dreams to prosper, and dreams of peace. Each and every one of us have a dream of growing bigger and richer in order to have a very fantastic future. So when we dream about our future, everyone wants to become rich and prosper so that they can live with a proper luxurious life. They can own a particular big house, car, lots of money, and lots of happiness. So when we dream about our prosperity, we also dream about peace. It may happen that you may have lots of money, but you don't have mental peace. So that is of no worth. So the dreams which we think is having a proper and a luxurious life. So dreams may appear about the same. The next comes dreams of country and its growth, dreams of love, and dreams of hope. We might be thinking about our nation, its prosperity, the growth of our nation, the development of our nation. Nowadays, many of the activities are going on, such as the example which I can give you is the the thing which we already did few years back, that is Mars mission, even Chandrayaan 2. You might all be familiar with these projects, which led to a growth of our nation, which gave a kind of big achievement to our nation. The dream of love and the dream of hope. The dream, the feeling of loved ones among various religions, cultures, caste, and each and every citizen, those who are living in our nation. And the dream of hope, which gives a hope, a ray of light in the life of all the people, all the citizens of our nation and across the world. Dreams, dreams, dreams. Dreams that all the dreams come true. So here the poet is saying a very wonderful line, that is, the dreams which we think about. We also have a dream that the dreams which we dream we can achieve, we can success, and all those dreams can come true. So the poet here is talking about a dream of achieving each and everything in their life. Each and every person has various particular goals. So once when one want to achieve that goal, they dream about that goal, and it is actually a dream that we wish our dreams may come true as soon as possible. So my dear students, here we are at the end of this video. In the very next class, we are going to start with activity number 2. Till then, as a part of your homework, you have to write this poem once in your fair book. Okay, and study the same. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.